Hey guys, welcome back to Quarantine Kitchen. I'm Paul. It's always great to see you. We're gonna make chicken and dumplings in a Dutch oven today. Here's what you'll need. We'll need boneless chicken, chopped celery, chopped carrots, a diced onion, some olive oil, chicken broth, some flour, some heavy cream, not one but 2 eggs, milk, all-purpose seasoning, a little paprika, a little oregano, some baking powder, our old friends salt and pepper, and of course we'll need some garlic.
Whoa, okay. The camera had a little too much to drink during the filming of this episode. It swerved around here and there, but ended up all right. Anyway, if you don't have a Dutch oven, get one. They're a load of fun. Now wash your hands, get the olive oil, and drizzle a bunch in. Then grab the chicken and dump it all into the Dutch oven. Try not to fling it onto the stove, though. Mix it in with the hot oil for several minutes. You want the chicken to change from pinkish to tannish. Snag the chopped carrots, the sliced celery, and the finely cut onion. Toss them all into the Dutch oven with the chicken. Stir everything for a few minutes until it's all mixed together. Then give it a hat and let it think about what it's done. A couple minutes later, get the lid off and stir it up a little more. Let's season it up now. Get the salt, pepper, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, and oregano. Sprinkle in each one to varying degrees and give the whole thing another good stir. Okay, this is getting thirsty now. Pour in a good amount of chicken stock to keep it all juicy. Follow it up with the inevitable stirring. And you better believe we've got the garlic ready. Drop in your garlic. I couldn't do that again if I tried. Anyway, stir everything together and give it a hat. While that simmers for 15 to 20 minutes, get out the flour and dump it into a mixing bowl. Then the baking powder. That's too much. There you go. And not 1, but 2 eggs. Crack 'em and hurl 'em in. Pick up the milk and pour a good amount all over everything. Add a touch of salt and put in some elbow grease to mix it all together. Now get back to the Dutch oven, take off the hat, and give it another good stir. Now add some heavy whipping cream, whirl it around, give it a hat, and leave it alone for a few minutes. Then take off the hat and give it a quick whoosh whoosh. Plop spoonfuls of the biscuit batter into the mixture. Let 'em cook for about 6 minutes, or magic! Scoop these big love chunks onto a serving plate and dive on in.
And that's how you make my chicken and dumplings in a Dutch oven, which I cannot wait to eat. For more recipes and videos like this one, go ahead, drop a like here. Better yet, you can subscribe to my channel. Just click on my face around here somewhere. This has been Quarantine Kitchen. I'm Paul. See you next time. Not 1, but 2.